agree ka ba sa mindset ng mga contestants na everyone deserves to win, I'm friendly to everyone, or dapat ba when you join a competition, you're in it to win? Kumbaga, di ba they say the nice girl or nice guy doesn't get kung sino man yung nililigawan niya. Ano yung mindset mo pagdating sa ganyan? Should...
Well, honestly, I agree to that na this is not against the competitors. And the same thing that I said kanina, sana natutunan namin noon na ang kalaban namin dito ang sarili namin. So yun yung sinasabi ko rin sa kanila. Kasi, yun nga, sinabi ko rin kanina na I learned it the hard way na, you know, it's yourself. Hindi ko ano yung bibigay niya at ng isa. Kumbaga, ikaw, ano yung bibigay mo? At doon ka kakapitan ng mga tao. Dahil yun yung nakapag-resonate sa kanila, naka-connect sila sa'yo. Kasi lahat tayo may pinagdadaanan sa buhay eh. Kung ano yung pinagdadaanan mo, alam mo yun, may mga taong may parehong journey with you. So that's why I'm saying, be authentic. Kasi kung manggagaya ka lang, it's not real. You can't keep it. You can't keep up with it. So, yeah, about the nice guy doesn't get I mean, I don't know, iba yan eh. Iba to eh. Competition to eh. I still believe na at the end of the day, ang mananaig pa rin ay yung goodness mo sa sarili mo at yun ang maaalala sa'yo. At ako, bilang bata rin ako noon, minsan mapusok ka pag bata ka, matetempt ka na kung ano lang ang ibigay sa'yo ng mga tao around you, you will succumb to it. But I learned that, no, be yourself. If it doesn't suit you, if they given you advice, oh, you say this para pag-usapan ka. It happened to me many times. And then, pinagsisihan ko. The audience doesn't know na, oh, it was finid yun sa akin eh. I was fed. Diba? So, masisisi mo ba? Kilala ba ng tao nagsabi sa'yo at sasabihin mo sa mga tao, sinabi niya yun sa akin, hindi. So, my perspective is different. I still want them to hold their value, their character, you know, and be better person.
Beyond the competition kasi. Ang mindset dapat. Okay, my last question. What struck me the most kanina sa sagot nila is may isang sumagot, I think it's Miguel, na personality. Personality yung papakita niya. Ikaw ang tagal mo na sa industry, Christine. Do you believe na pag mahal ka na ng tao, sila na mismo ang magtataas sa'yo, kaya ka nilang patawarin kahit ano pang pagkakamali mo dahil mahal ka na nila. At experience ko ba yun sa karera mo? As an example to them, that first, people should love you.
Oh, yeah, given na po yun na dapat mahalin ka ng tao. Pero at the same time, dapat yung pagmamahal sa'yo ng tao ay yung totoong ikaw. Hindi yung nagpapanggap ka lang sa mata ng mga tao, and then behind the camera, you're a different person.
Authenticity. Doon tayo babalik. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Beautiful. Maraming salamat po, Sir Jojo. Next, let's have from Philippine Star, Ms. Dolly Ann Carvajal.
Hello. Hi, ka-text ko kanina si Hazel. Anyway, matanong ko lang, what has really taught you so far? Parang beauty pageant question.